Hi guys, myself Tirat Kaneria and my student ID is AZZ37772 and our topic is like Starbucks and our group number is 304 and I would like to meet you with my friends. Introduce yourself.
Hi guys, my name is Kushi and my student ID is AZZ36831 and my group number is 304.
Hi everyone, my name is Awayan Surya Andinata Harja. My student ID is AZZ37343. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Jayantriya Jagadisanan. My student ID is
Hi
GIA3512.
everyone, my name is Tirat Kaneria and in my part of the presentation I'll be covering the executive summary, a brief overview of Starbucks as a company and the key business problem that led to the adoption of CRM technology. Change the slide. Yeah. So this case study focused on how Starbucks, a globally recognized coffee brand, strategically adopted customer relationship management, or you can say in short form CRM, to address declining customer engagement and risk expectations in an increasing digital market. As the competition increased and customer data became more scattered, Starbucks realized that its traditional loyalty program wasn't enough. It lacked the personalization needed to keep customer engaged and loyal. To fix this, Starbucks enhanced its mobile app by integrating CRM features that could track real-time customer behavior and deliver personalized rewards and smoother interaction. This move demonstrates how technology, when aligned with business goals, can empower managers to make better data-driven decisions. This transformation led to more mobile orders, improved customer experience, and stronger market positioning. In this, CRM wasn't just a tech update, it was a strategic solution to a business problem. Can you change this slide? Yeah. Starbucks began in Seattle in 1971 as a single coffee store. Today, it's one of the most iconic coffee brands worldwide with over 35,000 store access more than 80 countries. Its success is based not only on quality coffee but also on consistency, brand experience, and a strong customer focus. Technology has played a major role in Starbucks' growth in 2011. It launched its mobile app, which offering like digital payments, tracking loyalty points, and many more. These features simplified the customer journey and made the app incredibly popular by 2019. It has over 30 million users in the US alone. But the app did more than just improve convenience. It became a core CRM tool and collecting valuable customer data that Starbucks used to personalize market and improve service. More recently, Starbucks has invested in AI, machine learning, and automation. In 2023, they introduced the triple shot reinvention strategy, showing a deeper commitment to using technology not just as a support system but as a key driver of innovation and competitive advantage. Thank you. Now my friend will proceed the meeting.
Hello guys, my name is Kushi and I'll be moving forward with this presentation. Problem overview. Existing rewards problem lacked personalization and relevance. Internally disconnected system limited real time customer insights, which shows, just give me a second, which shows fragmented data system. Customer information was scattered across multiple platforms, preventing real time analytics. Poor retention metrics with no clear way to track repeat customers or triggers. Retention strategies were guesswork. Generic marketing campaign, one size fits all email blast delivered low response rates, which means CRM becomes a strategic necessity. Empowered manageable decision making reflects HM6032 IT as a tool to support leadership in fast moving markets. Can you change the slide? Yeah. For key challenging, it shows generic marketing campaigns, which one size fits all email blast delivered low response rates, and marketing campaign were one size fits oil leading to low response rates. Competitor offered mobile ordering and payment features earlier, which were very helpful and very challenging. Sometimes data was spread across POS, email marketing, and feedback platform, no unfilled views. Poor customer retention metrics, which was a huge cost for the company. Next. Literature review CRM in retail sectors. Smith and NG 2021 shows CRM system boosts customer lifetime value by improving retention. Lee 2020 found personalized CRM message drive 25% higher campaign response rates than generic communication. Shen and Rao 2019 showed quick service restaurant that tie loyalty rewards to CRM app increase repeat transaction. Patel et al. 2020 demonstrated the mobile CRM platforms enhanced convenience and satisfaction through real time often. Thank you. The next slide will move on forward with my colleague.
All right, everyone. My name is Andy, and let's just jump into the point. So, strategy, technology X Starbucks. All right, so Starbucks noticed something pretty important. There was a big gap in how they were engaging with customer digitally. People were on their phones all the time, but Starbucks didn't have a solid mobile platform. So they saw this as a big opportunity, not just for mobile payments, but to create a full app experience with rewards and personalized offer. This decision wasn't random. It was a part of a bigger plan. Starbucks was already working on its digital transformation, and this mobile app totally fit into their customer first mindset, according to Grewal et al. 2020. They didn't do it alone. Early on, they teamed up with Apple to handle these mobile payments, kind of ahead of the curve at the time. Later, they brought in Oracle and Salesforce to handle customer relationship management behind the scenes. Before jumping in, they did their homework, running feasibility studies, checking out how customers use their phones, and comparing what other top companies were doing. And leadership. Leadership really mattered here. Their CEO at that time, Howard Scott, was all in on digital. He saw this as more than technology. He saw it as a Starbucks future. I move to the next slide. The implementation process is like from vision to reality. Rolling out the app wasn't just an IT project. It was a full team effort across the company. The tech and digital teams handle all the backend stuff, coding system, integration, and the works. Marketing, this is very important role. Marketing designed the rewards program to keep people coming back again and again. And operations, they made sure stores were actually ready for the change. They started small, testing it out in a few US cities in 2011 before launching it everywhere. There was a lot of employees training and customer education to get people comfortable using the app. During the pilot phase, they collected a ton of feedback. What worked, what didn't. Based on that, they improved the app, made it faster, easier to use, and focused on smooth ordering. They also use agile development, which basically means they keep tracking and improving the app in a real time based on what users were doing and saying. That approach helped them stay flexible and responsive. I'm going to the next page. It's about challenge and lessons. Now, Even though it turned out to be super successful, Starbucks definitely had a few bumps in the road. The app had glitched during the busy hours. Who never experienced that? Some older customers weren't too comfortable using it at first. And of course, with the digital platforms, there were big concerns around data security and protection. To deal with all of this, Starbucks scaled up their cloud system to handle traffic better. They also kept improving the user experience and invested more in encryption and fraud protection. So, what is the big takeaway here? This wasn't just a cool tech project. The tech had a real strategic purpose. Starbucks aligned its tech goal with its business goals and measured different teams. For an example, technology, marketing, and operation were all working together. That kind of cross-functional teamwork is a big part of what digital maturity looks like, and it's something any future manager you should pay attention, according to Westerman 2011. So today, the Starbucks app, basically a gold standard for digital customer engagement. It's not just about coffee anymore. It's about creating a smart, seamless experience for customer. That's all from me. Now I'm going to move to my friends. Thank you.
Now we are moving to the conclusion part. The first one is increased customized engagement. The Starbucks company's rewards membership exceeds 30 million users in US only in the year of 2024. And secondly, the boost in sales revenue from loyalty members. Loyalty program users contribute to over 50% of the company operated US sales. Enhanced personalization, the customized offer based on customers' purchase history and the preferences. So finally, the mobile orders and the payment success. 75% of the transaction made via the mobile app and the mobile orders account for 26% of the total US transaction in 2023. Now we are moving to the recommendation part. As the first recommendation, first one, expand AI personalization. So localize digital tools for markets outside the US. So they have to improve their strategies outside the US also. And the second thing is they have to invest in voice ordering and chatbots. So thirdly, the enhanced sustainability tracking. So use technology to show customers their environmental impact their purchase. And the final recommendation is improve data transparency. So clear communication on data usage to maintain customer trust. Thank you.